What's up, guys? It's me. Here to give you guys a little lesson on one of my oldest hustles and with one of my newest spins on it. Today we're going to be unboxing and pretty much just going over Peet's coffee and tea hustle. And I'm going to show you what you can get for $30 if you do things my way. These two boxes, which I got today. With the purchase of these two boxes, I also received an $80 membership for something called Shop Runner, where apparently I get 2-day deliveries for free on a bunch of our products, which was cool. So that was another free bonus I got. Wasn't expecting it. I went to the store today, and I got myself my free coffee, obviously. This $40 French press. $12 Bear Cup. And this $39 coffee maker espresso machine. So this right here was about $100. That $97 on a gift card on my phone. I went inside the store. Boop boop. Got this stuff. Now, if I want to turn that back into a gift card, the receipt right here. I just take it back to the Peet's, turn it, and I can cash that out like that. Or take these items, use them, sell them, whatever. Doesn't matter. That's the point. The point is monetization of gift cards into cash. So, now for the fun part. So as I said, this was $100 I spent. This was $300. Yeah, this was $300 right here. I made one $100 order and then one $200 order. So I already cut that one of these boxes open. Cut that one open. And it did come pretty quick. It came in 2 days. They got the card, and they got weird. Okay. Let's see, we got a packing slip here. One Quinto coffee jug set, one espresso tamper, one Caflano compact black, and one more Caflano classic black. For 95, 65, 5, and 34. Total of $230 after the first time discount. That came out to $196.66. Slow coffee style. This strainer. It's an all-in-one pour over coffee maker. And we got a tamper. And that's popcorn. Tip of that box. So that's $300 worth of product so far. Counting what I bought today in store and what I got in the mail today. And remember, like I said, so far I haven't even spent a total of $30 yet. One more of those all-in-one coffee makers. And it's just a organic platform. There's something down here. No. Just the invoice. Yep. So it was just $95 coffee maker. So. Like that later. So I have not looked up the mail-in return policy for items yet, as far as bringing these back to the store or mailing them back for credit to get that into a gift card, but I've successfully turned an electronic gift card into physical items, which is the tricky part. The rest is just preference. So I spent $30. This gave me $200 in all-in-one coffee makers. It's 100, not 50, 90. So that's $400. Oh, tamper. That's $400 in coffee supplies I picked up today for $30. Now, break it down for you. I did this for a long time at a different store. Eventually, they kind of got a little savvy, caught onto it, but I don't think that's going to be a problem here because the home delivery system works now. If that had been an option before, maybe it would have ride that one out a little bit longer. But seeing as that's gone and this is what's here, thank you, Peet. So, as far as where am I getting these gift cards for 15%? I'm gonna actually put a link to that to where you can buy that in the description here, and I'm also gonna put where you need to go to sign up to buy the cryptocurrency to get the gift card off that website. And it basically goes like this: e-gift card, not really worth that much. Buy it, spend it, take that, you'll get this kind of stuff. If you're into coffee, cool, do it, done that. If you like money, take that stuff and you return it. That will essentially wash that electronic gift card and turn that into a physical gift card, which you'll get that receipt from the store. So you gotta mix it up, switch up stores, depending on how much you do it. And then you can either sell that gift card online, hold on to it, on eBay. Who cares? That doesn't matter at that point. It's a pretty legitimate gift card because it came from real items. So, good luck, and I will try to put up another video next time I pull a move. Alright.